Hey guys, welcome back to another devlog for Crownless. This is devlog number 3. Yeah, and there's quite a lot of changes you guys will see in this video today. So first off, you can see I have a warrior here, so I'm going to be showcasing that to you quickly. But yeah, let me go ahead and load in, and you'll see the rest of the changes. So
Hello
you
there.
can see, hello there. Wait, let me invite you quick. Um,
There we go.
Perfect. So the first thing you guys will notice is our first zone we've kind of fleshed out a bit more. We no longer just have that empty area that we're just doing testing stuff in. So yeah, do you want to walk us through your process in creating the zone?
Yeah, sure. I think so for our first zone, we wanted it to be really friendly and inviting. And I think Green Meadowlands always fits that with some rolling hills and some water that we'll have a look at later. Just having this kind of big open explorable zone that's kind of inviting and welcoming to everyone is a good start for this. So this should be our starter zone, which we'll probably be using in our playtest, and that will be locked to like a level 1 to 10 experience. So
Hmm.
obviously we're not completely done with this yet. There's a lot of assets that are still missing and things like that. But we've started fleshing out the first few like points of interest, so that we can expand on some systems that we'll speak about in a minute. And then obviously something cool that we have done together is create all assets like
Hmm.
from scratch and handmade, well,
Yeah.
computer made, I guess.
Yeah, we
And
we
it's
want
been a
to do
50-50 effort, right?
yeah,
Like you did the tree
100%.
trunk, I did the leaves, kind of thing.
Exactly.
So it's
Yeah, we working well. You made the windmill, I made the cart and the crates, you made the fences and the wheat, I made the lamppost. And a few other things you'll see later is like I mean we've done a lot of modeling together and trying to flesh out the world as much as we can. So expect to see more of that as we continue forward. Because I mean it won't be at an insane pace because we are both learning Blender and creating everything ourselves. So like we want everything to be made by us. We are the ones that made it and placed in the world, and it's placed there for a reason.
yeah,
Um,
exactly.
yeah, it's like a handcrafted world. That's our main goal. Um,
Yeah. While we talk about the next topic, do you want to like head over so like that
yeah,
we could be
let's do
close to
that.
the warrior? So I think a new thing is like the UI overall, which
Mm,
we spent quite a lot of time in, is looking at our character panel. I think like one of the big things is looking at our gear. They've got tooltips and stats on, and I'm not sure if you've got any other colored gear on the warrior, but
just the green chainmail.
yeah, so you can actually see we've got these tooltips for item quality. Hey, put your shit back on. And then we've obviously got the stats on that as well, which changes when you equip and unequip gear, live stat updates and so forth. So
Yeah,
gear stats and these tooltips are quite nice. And if we hover on each other, we've got nice tooltips that show that we're players. If we hover over our spells, we've got tooltips over there. I feel like that's a very crucial part of the style of game, and that they'll be a crucial part of like I guess informing player without really being too blatant about it. So that's
yeah,
something quite cool. And then in our UI overall, we've actually gone and just like recreated our spell book and our character panel, our inventory, and just made things a bit cleaner. And then that expands into the micro menu. If you quickly want to run through that.
yeah. Let me run through that now. So at the bottom right of your screen, you'll see a micro menu now that we have created. You can just click on each one of these. It's just going to open that viewport that we have created, just so you don't have to use the hotkey for it. Not everyone will be comfortable using hotkeys, or sometimes you'll just be using your mouse to play. And then also, you'll see we have a settings menu here, where we have the audio settings, we have input settings, so you can change your keybinds. And these actually save to your character, to your local PC. So if I were to, I can change these spells, I can change the keybind on it.
Change the
I like to
keybind
do
and the spell
these.
and give us a relog so we know you're ready to test out this warrior.
Yeah, let's do it. So let me log out there. I'll log back in quickly. Um, there we go.
All
And
right, give
now,
it a
see
go.
my
I'll
spells
I'll
are in the
heal you
same
a little
place.
bit. Send
Let me
it.
put that over there. I'm putting it back to where it was. You ready?
Go for it. I'm just
Keep
healing
me
right
alive.
now. A nice
There
little
we
thing
go.
is, I think
I'm
if you
farming them.
charge another mob, there's a short stun which is visible above their head
Let me get
with
another
a
one.
little icon there. Oh wow, you're really moving, huh?
He wants
Yeah,
another
we're
one, yeah.
also we've got the rage generation on it, which generates by either getting hit or hitting enemies.
Yeah, as you can see,
And we're trying
each
to
time
not
I
make
get
the
hit,
resource too sparse. Yeah.
it has a chance to give me rage, and then obviously when I do hit again, it will gain rage, and when I spend rage, I'm actually pressing rend, which is a spender that we have right now. We don't have many spells set up for warrior yet. This is like our first kind of clean pass on it. Oh, and that's another thing as well. So we left the
Yeah.
party here, and so we got mob tagging properly showing on the UI. So if you go ahead and tag another mob quickly,
Yeah, sure. Let me hit one
um,
real quick. I just noticed that my mob had a blue sword on it and yours didn't.
yeah, you lucky. What the heck? So let me help you with this one. Hopefully I can
You can
loot
help me
something.
out, yeah. I
I'll
don't
get
think you're
some
gonna
good
get any
luck.
experience when you
So
loot.
yeah, I
I'm
got
like, I got
nothing
a
there,
bag.
sadly. Oh, that guy just had crowns. Wait, maybe there's a new weapon over here.
Let's have
Nope,
a
that's a
look.
bag. Damn.
It's okay, I'll take care of this guy for you.
Oh, another
Um,
one.
I think another thing that we should quickly do is talk about our brand new quest system.
Yeah.
Um,
Would you like
we've
to
been
run over there and I'll
developing.
come on another character?
Yeah, I'll make the run real quick. So we've developed this quest system and we've made it quite modular because, like we always say, is like important for us to build a foundation first, right? And this is to make quests easier and faster for us. And we've got two main quest types right now. So one is a kill quest, and one is a collect quest. Both revolve around the bandit POI that we just visited. So if you right click on John Doe over here, you can see two quests from him. It's like getting rid of the bandits and
Yeah.
retrieving the goods, which is our two main quests that we've got right
Picking
now.
up both of these now.
Yeah, and if we
And
look on the
then,
right side of our screen while we run over there, we can actually see the objectives of them. So to kill 12 bandits, 0 out of 12, and collect 5 sack of grains, so that's 0 out of 5. And if you press L, you can actually open up our quest book and click on these different quests to actually see the full
oh, I love
context
that.
of them and their rewards.
Oh,
Quite
it's super
nice.
nice. Yeah, you can see the text. The description of the quest. You can see your objective at the bottom here, and obviously your rewards for completing the quest successfully.
Yeah,
Um,
so I think one thing regarding this is actually like our party system on this, right? So
yeah,
if I had to kill a mob and leave the party, you would gain absolutely no progress for this.
yeah. See,
But if we're in a
there we
party
go.
together,
So let me invite you back. Whoopsie. Yeah,
there we go. We can actually share progress now. So if I head
so
over
yeah,
here
I'm not
and
gonna hit anything. I'll let you kill it.
yeah, sure thing.
And I should get some progress here because we are in a party together.
There we
There we
go.
go. I got XP as well. I love that.
I might be one ahead of you now, unfortunately. But if you
That's
look over
fine.
here, we've also got these grain sacks that we've got to loot up here. I've got the little shimmer on them right now. Let me clear these mobs out and give you an
Let me
opportunity
loot
to
these
loot some.
quickly. There we go. I got
Grab
one.
this one over here.
Let me kill
There's
this
one at the
mob.
back of the tent here. I'll grab this one.
I see two over here.
So I might have to wait a little bit for one of them to respawn since we're two people. I'm gonna kill some mobs so long so we can start
Yeah, I'm
completing
also
this
killing
other
some for
quest.
you. Seeing if there's
We,
any nice loot for me over here. Oh,
yeah,
maybe
so
on
we
this
got all
character I
these
can get lucky.
naughty bandits over here that have been stealing from this farm, and we've been tasked to take them out and kill them. A bit drastic, maybe, but
Yeah. I mean, they chose the crime.
yeah, exactly.
So also, people might have noticed now, since I leveled up from us killing these bandits, is I got a new ability called Crusader Strike. So we plan to do abilities in a different way to the way it's done in like most other MMOs. Is you kind of just get your abilities um, as you level. So it's more like retail in that sense, I would say, retail World of Warcraft. Um, so as soon as I hit level 4, I got Crusader Strike, and your abilities are kind of going to scale with you as you level up and get stronger. You won't have to go back to town to see a trainer to get the upgrades or anything. It's just going to be scaling with your level and your equipment, obviously.
Exactly. Reese, do you have 5 bags yet?
Yeah, I'm
As you
finished. Are you
can
done?
see, yeah, we can no longer click them, and there's no longer a shimmer there. So we unfortunately can't grief anybody else.
Oh, I got this. I got an axe. Let's go.
Oh, nice. A blue item.
Yep.
Wow. Very nice. I think I've also killed enough bandits. I don't know if you want to head back and hand these quests
Yeah,
in.
let's head in.
While we go there, I don't know if you got any other bags, but if I
I do
drop
have
these other
one.
bags of mine and I can expand it and have quite a lot of
Let me do
inventory
that.
space.
So I already threw one on, but I'll explain it again here. So if I go and put this item over here and equip this bag, it's obviously going to give up these slots for me. But if I put this axe over here and I want to take this bag off, it's going to give me an error, obviously, because this is part of the bag I'm trying to take off. So we plan to obviously expand on that UI in the future, where you can like see highlighted slots of where the bag is. But for now, the system is in place. We'll make it look pretty later. Are you
Yeah,
ready
and
to hand
then
in?
yeah, if we right click on John Doe over here, we can actually give in our quest now. So we can see the rewards at the bottom here. I think I'm getting a level from this first quest. There we go, level 8 and some crowns. And
I'm super
yeah, I
close.
won level from the second one, but I'm pretty close to level 9 now. Actually, just got
I'm
my
level 7.
consecration spell from that.
Oh
Boom.
damn, I need one more level.
Too bad you had to miss that one mob, huh?
Yeah.
All right. I think we should run off in the distance here as we talk about some future things for
Yeah.
the So, something that we want to focus on now is obviously fleshing out the zone more and creating more points of interest. You'll see now one that we've planned out very soon, and also work on the sound design a bit. Because right now I've got footsteps and a little bit of UI sound, but we want to make handing in a quest feel rewarding and level ups should feel epic and everything should be fun and have a unique flair and some combat sounds to make it a bit more enticing. So
Yeah.
think we'll expand quite a bit on the like sound portion of the game right now, and then
Yeah.
obviously fleshing out the zone because we want to get this level 1 to 10 ready, and obviously slow down the experience progress from what we're doing right now, so that we could
Yeah.
really
Like
expand to the
ideally
entire
after that
zone.
quest, we want them to be like level 2. Maybe
Level
level
two,
3.
maybe level 3 if you
Yeah.
killed quite a few mobs.
Depending on how we plan to do level scaling as well. When
Yeah,
you level up from level 1 to 2, how much more XP are you going to need? We'll scale that like leveling system around this starter zone. So this entire zone, it's fairly large. You guys aren't seeing a lot right
this is
now.
about 20% that we've ran through, maybe 15% of the entire zone. So
Yeah,
there's quite a lot to still expand on. But like we said, we're hand creating all these assets and self creating everything in the zone. So it is a process for 2 people, but we're fully committed to making something really cool.
yeah. So on that note, also, I'd just like to ask the viewers, what professions do you guys like to choose in your MMOs? Do you guys like herbalism, mining, blacksmithing, alchemy?
Woodworking,
Yeah,
whatever it
like
might be.
whatever it might be. Yeah, my personal favorites are I usually go mining and blacksmithing when I play a plate wearing class, or if I go a hunter, I usually choose fishing. Just so you can feed your pets, and that's quite relaxing to
You're
do.
leading on to something. Is feeding, fishing something we're going to be adding soon
We
with the
might have
slash
to, eh?
players? Yeah.
I'm keen
I
to
guess it
see
just
some
makes
boats
sense,
going
right?
around here. We need some nets so
Yeah,
we can catch some fish. Oh, I fell.
I do like that idea.
I took a little dip of me.
I see that.
So as you can see, we
um,
haven't done swimming yet. That's also planned for the future.
on
Um,
the cards, yeah.
yeah. Like for now,
So
this is just something you can run on.
but yeah, we did get a nice little water thing going here, and we're really working hard on the zone and stuff. I think this is the reason why our third devlog might have taken a bit longer than the others. So
Yeah.
obviously hand creating all these assets and the zone, and I mean all the combat and UI systems we've done. I think this is our biggest update yet in terms of devlogs. But yeah, we're quite happy with how it's going so far, and we'd love to hear some feedback. I think any
Yeah.
and all feedback is welcome, and we'd like to know what you guys want to see, what you like, and what you possibly dislike, so that we can. I mean, we're creating this game out of passion and our love for it, but we also want other people to share and enjoy that. So create something everybody can love. Do you think you can find me?
Let me find you. I see your little name sticking out there.
I guess hide and seek might be on the cards too.
Yeah, true. Hide behind this tree over here.
Wait, you just called me a noob in party chat.
Can you find me?
Yeah, I saw you go behind the street. Hey, this is cheating. Wait.
Oh.
Clearly something we gotta work
Yeah,
on.
I forgot we don't have collisions on trees. I ran inside. Oh, but yeah, let us know what you guys think in the comments below, and yeah, give us a subscribe there to get a notification when we make a new video.
Yeah,
Thanks,
thanks
guys.
guys for everything. Have a good one.
Peace out.